We humans have one thing in common. We all have to eat every single day of our lives. The trouble is, the food supply that we rely on today is not sustainable. It is not going to survive past the mid-century. One reason we've already seen with the coronavirus pandemic. Global food supply chains have been breaking down everywhere. But the agriculture system on which we rely to produce most of our food is also in danger. It's running out of soil, it's running out of water, it's running out of nutrients, and above all, it's running out of a stable climate that you need to grow crops. So agriculture is going to be running into deep trouble as we near the mid-century. This all means we have to change how we produce food and how we feed ourselves. That means reinventing the entire food system. It's quite possible, but it's a major task and it must start now. We also need to reinvent our diets because at the moment about 3/4 of humans are dying from a diet-related disease. So the modern diet is not a healthy one. If we can do all of these things, we will have a new food system. What this might look like is that 1/3 of the world's food would be produced by regenerative agriculture. That is agriculture that restores the environment and does not destroy it. Secondly, about 1/3 of the world's food would come from cities, who would recycle all the nutrients and the water that they currently waste. And thirdly, about 1/3 of the world's food would come from the deep oceans in the form of plants and fish grown on huge underwater farms. If we had a food system like that, it would feed everybody. It would prevent about 2/3 of the wars and refugee crises that we now see. It would mean that we can repair the environment and end the 6th extinction of species. So it's a really worthwhile to reinvent the world food system to create a renewable food system is the task of the coming decades.